Hello friends, this is Coach B. I have taken this question from previous mathematics Olympiad and I find it a very interesting problem. Here they are using this basic a square minus b square formula which is to be utilized in this question. If you can see here, you will find that a square minus b square, which we generally know is a minus b and a plus b. Here in this question, this difficult looking question can be made easy with this simple formula. How? Let me explain to you. Suppose this a is 3 and b is root over 8, and if we square them individually, you will find that this can be written as 3 minus root over 8 and 3 plus root over 8. Now our task is just open this bracket. You will find it as 9 minus 8 and this side is same, 3 minus root 8 and 3 plus root 8. Now if you calculate this part, 9 minus 8 is 1. So we got 1 is equal to 3 plus root 8 into 3 minus root 8. I can change the notation because a minus a into b is same as b into a. Okay. So here if you see, this 1 in the numerator can be replaced with this thing. Okay. So let's replace this thing. If suppose only this part of the question I am taking up, so 3 plus root over 8 and 3 minus root over 8 just substituted in the place of 1. Only in this part, okay? I am substituting it in this part. So here you see the denominator is getting cancelled with the numerator part. So if we cancel this thing, we are left with only 3 minus root over. And same thing can be done here. The C. 1 can be written as root over 8 whole square minus root over 7 whole square. And again this thing, if we apply this formula a minus b, a plus b, this can be written as root over 8 minus root over 7 times root over 8 plus root over 7. Okay. So this thing, when you calculate, it is going to be 8 minus 7 only. So it will be equal to 1 and we can substitute in the place of this one, this whole thing. So if we substitute this thing in place of this one, we are going to get, we are going to get root over 8 plus of a side. Let me write the whole thing in the numerator. Root over 8 plus root over 7 and the denominator is root over 8 plus root over 7. And you will see that this part is getting cancelled and we are left with only this part. So if we put only this part here, the left part, and same way this can be done, this can be done, this can be done, and this can be done. So if we do for all of them, what we get here is 3 minus root 8. Everything same as denominator, but only difference is that instead of plus sign, you will have a negative sign. Okay. So let's substitute all the values as denominators only, but symbol changed in between them, which is positive is going to become negative here as well. And same with this term also, root over 5 and minus root over 2. And the last term I am writing below, which is plus root over 2 root over 5. And if you see, it is a telescopic series. Like if I want you, this root 8 and this root 8 is getting cancelled because one is plus and one is negative. Same way this negative root 7 and positive root 7, negative root 6 and positive root 6, negative 5 and positive root 5, negative root 2, and why it is negative root 2? It is to be positive root 2. Let me change this. This is to be positive root 2, not negative, because the denominator has the 2 only. So here we can see that this negative 2 and this positive 2 is getting cancelled and we are left with only 3 minus root 3. Okay. So it's kind of telescopic series where all the internal members are getting cancelled and only the front and the last, first and the last number is left. So here we can say our answer is 3 minus root 3. Hope this helps you, and you can comment if you want further these kind of videos based on mathematics Olympiad problems of various countries, European, USA, Indian, and any other. Likewise, the concept is same. Mathematics is all about finding a pattern, logic applied, the basic fundamental formulas, and finding something usable, so that it's like kind of simplifying the complex problems into a easier one. hope it will help you, and glad to help you. I will try to put further videos if you like, and if I get a positive response from all of the viewers. Thank you.